some music, so hopefully you will all enjoy what the students have prepared. Whether we have students who are very, very beginners, just taken for several months, or some that have taken for several years. The students have been working very, very hard, and I know you will appreciate the time and effort that they have put in to being here to perform for you today. We just have a couple of announcements here for students. If there's somebody, and we do have a few that are not here, if you see that there's a card next to you and that person is not there, we'll just skip them. Okay, not really making announcements of that, just skip them. Also, students learning lessons from the first recital, please go ahead, if you have your book, or teachers, if you have the books, have your page open and ready when you come up, okay? So that'll save, I mean, it just seems 30 seconds seems like a really short amount of time, but 30 seconds for everybody is a really long time. So if you don't know where your page is, go ahead and find the page in your book, get it open and have your finger there, ready to go. So when you come up, you're ready to start and we don't have to be searching for pages, okay? Let's make sure that we have that everything prepared and ready to go. We want to say thank you for Bethlehem Baptist Church for having us here today and letting us use their facility for this recital. And thank you, parents, for your time and effort to be here today. And please remember to turn your cell phones and pagers off, as that would interrupt our performers. And then just making sure that, you know, as each student performs, we do have a full recital. Even with a few absences, it is a full recital. So please make sure as we go up and try to make that move as quickly as possible, if you would just refrain from leaving until everyone is finished, that would be great, because we don't want the last person to come and just her parents be sitting here to listen, right? So she needs a full audience just the same as the first person. So we appreciate your patience with us as we make it through the entire recital today. Students, if you will please use the step on this side to come up to the stage and off the stage. If you're playing the guitar or something and you're going to be down here on the front, just come right here straight in the front. You don't have to come up the stage and then back down. Right? Just come straight across here. But if you're on the stage, please come up this way. And please, everywhere that you're looking, where you're walking, please be aware that there's lots of cables and cords and wires on the floor. Be aware of that so you don't trip. Okay? We don't want anybody to fall. Okay? The teachers will be here to help you though. All right, well, I think we're ready with Miss Regina. All right, come on up.